Hey guys, so today I bought a new 360 camera, and previously I used the Insta360 One X, but the resolution was not enough at low light and stuff, so I needed something better. So I bought the Qoocam 8K. So hopefully I get better resolution and better at low light performance here. And here we go. So this is the box. Just got it today or yesterday. I'm pretty ghetto, so I'm gonna open it with a nail clipper. Not ideal, but that's all I have right now. Kind of works. Alright. Oh man. Just tearing this apart here. Alright, it's a box in a box, and it's a Kandao next generation imaging. Okay, that's a little tougher. Pretty ghetto. I should have gotten a oh my god, an actual knife. But now I'm stuck with this thing. I know. That thing apart, man. Alright, we're getting closer. Box. So this is another box. Oh, this is real hard. So this is the official box. Qoocam. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. Moment of truth. Alright, here it is. Let's pull this out. Wow, it's pretty like bulky compared to this. It's like huge, this thing. So I'm gonna take the protective foil off. Okay, I'm gonna leave this in first for the time being. So I'm gonna check and see what else is inside. Looks like a phone. Okay, let me. Shit. I guess this is the instruction. So just basically a bunch of cables and stuff. So this is the pouch here. So that's good to make sure. We're gonna just shove this in first for the time being. And what else? Just a bunch of cables basically. USB and oh, this is the strap here. Bunch of cables. What's that inside? What the hell is this? Actually I don't know what this is, so I'm gonna have to read the instruction. I think this is for the strap maybe. So let me just go back here. So this is compared to the Insta360 One X, this is pretty heavy, pretty bulky, and it's a lot thicker. So I hope it doesn't influence the stitching here. So I guess the lens, the 360 fisheye lens, sticks out a lot more. This is more subtle here. So yeah, it looks pretty big, and I hope I can achieve a better resolution with this one. So it has a full LCD screen here at the front. Here we go. That's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. This is my new toy. So, alright, turn it off.